Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region at the top. So here we've got the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe Turkish, so just tap on it and here confirm it with tapping on change. And as you can see, right now our new language is applied at the top of the list. It is also marked, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me go back here. Moreover, if you've got more than one language is added, you have to simply tap on the specific language you'd like to apply, and your device will immediately turn it on and apply to the whole system. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on delete in the right upper corner, mark the language and tap on remove. Confirm it with OK, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.